Have you ever thought about how you can move or animate objects in your picture or an image? Today I'll be walking you through how to do that step by step in Canva, and you'll get a result just like this. Open your browser and enter the URL canva.com/photo-editor. I would put in the URL, the link, in the description of this video. This interface or web page will greet you if the URL you entered is correct. So you go ahead and click on upload your image. You choose the image you want to use. For us, we'll be using a background, an image that has birds flying in nature. So let's do that. Now that we have successfully uploaded our image, click on the image, then click on the edit button. On the extreme right left of the canvas, you will see magic grab. Then click on it. Allow the AI some time to identify the individual images or objects in the picture, after which you can now select the image or the object you want to remove or grab in the canvas or in the image. Now we are done selecting the image we want to animate. We will now click on grab, wait for it to grab it, and then select the image you want to animate and click on animate. Click on create an animation, then grab your object or the image you want, move it in a pattern you want it to be animated. We will be doing that for every bird on the canvas. Okay, our video is ready, so let's play it and see what it looks like. By the way, when exporting this video, make sure it is in a MP4 format, not PNG or JPEG format, or else it will not work. I hope you got value in today's video. Please subscribe to our channel. Till next time, happy creating.